Hi class, time for math. Are you ready? Grab your red math writing journal and your chapter 8 book today. Awesome. Go grab it. I'm ready. All right. The first thing we're going to do today is practice a go through the other door. Addition. Let's do a 3-digit addition. Oh, I've got my little cheat sheet. $454 plus 137. What method are you going to use today? You've got several choices. You've got what? Open number line, place value, expanded form. Let's see. I think I'll do open number line today. What are you going to do? I'm going to start 454. And I'm going to add big chunks that are easy for my brain because I only pick numbers that are friendly for me, that make it easy for me to hop. So 137 has 100 in it, and I can count a 100 more. 454 plus 100 is 554. Okay. And I am gonna just do this a little different today. Well, maybe not. I don't know. So 3 tens. When I add, I'm gonna just add the tens. So 10 plus 10. If I don't do this, I might forget that I'm doing 3 tens and only do 2 tens, and then that's not going to be an accurate number. 554, 564, 574, 584. Awesome. So now I have 7 ones to add, and actually 7 plus 4 is, I know it's 11 because I know that 7 plus 3 is 10, and 7 plus 4 is one more than that because I love 10. Remember, I think about tens. But I also know that 4 plus 6 is 10. So I'm going to do a 6 here. How weird is that? Can you think like me? So 4 plus 6 is 10, so I know that that's the next 10 up. So that's 590. But then, gosh, I have 7 and I only added 6, so I have to add one more. Okay, did you get that? Are you close? If you didn't, don't just erase and give up. Go back and do some really challenging thinking and do your math in every step of the way to see exactly where you maybe made a mistake. Is it counting in tens? Did you maybe only count 2 tens? It's really cool to be able to go back and find your mistake. It totally is. So check it out. All right. Should we check that? Oh, expanded form. 400 plus 50 plus 4. 100 plus 30 plus 7. 100 plus 400, 500. 50 plus 30, 50. 60, 70, 80. And 7 plus 4 is 11. Now we're kind of stuck here again. And so the easiest thing that I like to do is break this into expanded form. Because then you can add the tens really easy. 500 plus 80 plus 10, 80, 90, 91. All right. Let's do a subtraction problem. 765 take away 238. Here we go. Now, the easiest way for me is to do it using place value blocks. So we're going to go ahead and do place value blocks today. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. 65, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, you can see that I have it in hundreds, tens, and ones. Ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay. I'm going to take away 238. Do you remember? It's been a couple days. So I write the number here because if I put place value blocks here, I add every time. Okay. So I have 5. Can I take away 8? No. So what do you need to do? Take one of these tens and bring it over here and break it apart. Okay. So then you put 10 here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So now I have 15 because I had 10 and 5. So now I have 15 over here. I can take away 8. And I like tens, so I'm going to take away the 8 from the 10 I just put there because I know that one. Okay, there. I'm going to take away this 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 ones left over after I do that thinking. All right, so this is how many tens I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to take 3 out of that because I'm doing my math problem right now, and I have 2 tens left over. See them? And then I have 7 hundreds, and I'm going to take 2 hundreds out of that. There's my 2 I just took out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta-da! You're amazing. Okay. All right, guys. It's back to your Chapter 8 book. And today's pages are 576, 578, 579. So, in my book, it's the lesson check on 576. Okay. There's inches, there's money, there's time, and there's a story problem using, you have to figure out whether it's addition or subtraction. So, I'm just going to read the question part of number 4. It says, how many game cards does Allie have now? And that doesn't give me a clue if it's addition or subtraction. So that means I am going to have to go back and read the entire story before I can decide. So now I'm going to be looking for words like gave or words like more. Okay, Allie had 38 game cards. Her friend gave her 15 more cards. So if she had 38 and she got 15 more, what is that? Addition or subtraction? Right, addition. Okay, so you can solve it in a number of ways. You can use place value blocks. You can use your addition strategies. You can shuffle, like some of the kids like to take some of this number and move it over here to make it a friendlier number. You can use any strategy that you want. And then we're going to move to the next page. And remember, we're still estimating lengths of objects in feet. So that's your best guess without doing the measuring first, and then you go back and you measure it. So on 578, you're measuring a bookshelf if you have one. If not, measure the TV stand. Cross out bookshelf and write TV stand. You've got a chair, so you can measure that. Remember, first you're going to estimate how many 12-inch rulers will be the same height as that chair, and then you're going to measure it. And that's what you do again on 579. Measure, 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 measure. And it says your teacher's desk. So what is your teacher's desk today? Is at the table? Is your mom sitting at the table with you? Is she sitting wherever, or your grandma or your dad? Whose desk are you using? Okay, measure a window. I don't have a wall map for number 4, so what would you measure? A poster, a picture. Measure a different window. Just cross out wall map and write what you've drawn, okay, what you've measured. All right, guys, you got this. This is a quick and easy lesson. First you make your best guess, then you just get to work measuring. Have a great day.